Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this recipe called Nshima, pap or fufu. And if you guys want to know how I make my fufu or pap on Nshima, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So to make this pap, I am using a small pot and I have 1 cup of water and a half cup of cornmeal. And of course, guys, my stove is not on because that's the way I start mine first. So you want to mix those 2 items together, 1 cup of water and a half cup of cornmeal. So on the side, I am boiling some water in a kettle, and after my water has boiled, then I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pap. So right over here, this is called making the porridge part. So you want to mix it. And again, my stove is not on. So after mixing for a while, I went ahead and got my hot water. So I'm adding 1 cup of hot water and I'm turning it on my stove at medium high. And then we continue stirring. So we are going to continue stirring over here. And after stirring, we want to add 1 extra cup of water. And this is 1 extra hot cup of water. So far we added 2 cups of hot water, and you want to continue stirring until it becomes thick and start bubbling. So next I went ahead and added a lid. So we are going to cook for about 20 minutes. Remember, this is parboiled cornmeal, so it cooks faster. So now that porridge has cooked for a little bit, we are going to go ahead and start making our cornmeal a little thicker. So I'm adding 1 cup of regular parboiled cornmeal. So you want to continue just pouring the cornmeal, and your porridge is going to get thicker, as you guys can see over here as I continue mixing. I don't know how to describe this part. So you want to mix, like the way I'm moving around over here. So I did reduce my heat to medium low because we didn't want it to like splutter everywhere. So you want to do that. The last part is using, a half cup of yuca flour, and I'm just adding it to there gradually. As you guys can see how I'm moving my hands. Hopefully that is helpful. So I'm going to continue mixing gradually until I finish all my yuca flour that I have portioned out, which is about a half cup of flour. So the thickness of your Nshima, pap or fufu depends on how you like it. So I continued adding all my flour in there. So I continued stirring according to how I felt. I went ahead and added a lid to make sure that it cooks a little bit. So with the lid on, I cooked for about 2 minutes, and then I opened it up and continued stirring. I kind of increased the heat a little bit, as you guys can see. So we continued, and then after that, I continued just mix everything again, as you guys can see over here. So guys, this meal consists of just, stirring a lot, and you have to make sure according to how much thickness you want, then that's how much you are going to add more cornmeal or whatever it is that you're using to make it more thicker. So over here I was done, and I went ahead and portioned out my Nshima, and I'm using, like a little plastic spoon to do that. I still have my stove on, but I did reduce it to a low heat so that way it doesn't, burn. I gave myself, 2 portions, and what I'm having with my Nshima is some okra, as you guys can see over here, fried okra with some eggs. It was so good. And yeah, we have reached the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So for my garnish, I'm adding this crispy chili oil because, you know, it tastes so good. I like hot stuff. So this is the end. I just want to say thank you for those who are watching and for those who are subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel, for supporting me. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave your comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit and bye.